can use the mouse or you can use the keyboard arrow keys also. Word, Excel, PowerPoint or browser, it works there. So hey guys, I am Ragorati and you are watching Tech with RVR. So welcome to our first video of playlist Windows shortcuts, features and updates. In this video, I will show you how to use emoji anywhere and its shortcut. You can use it in Notepad, Excel, spreadsheet, Word, etc. or social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram or anywhere on Windows device. I am showing this process on Windows 10. It works for Windows 7 and Windows 8 also. You can follow these steps. So watch the full video if you want to use the emoji panel anywhere on your laptop. So let's open the Notepad. Now the shortcut to open the emoji panel is on your keyboard. Click on Win key, which is also called as Windows key, and semicolon. So you can see the emoji panel is here. You can also open it by pressing Windows key and full stop. There are two ways to open it because on somewhere it works with semicolon and on somewhere it works with full stop. Okay, we have opened it, but how to close it? You can simply press this cross button, or if you want to exit this, click on the escape button. One more thing, you can move it anywhere you want. Let's explore it. So you can see, you can search also. These are the recent one which I have used, and these are classified into these sections. For example, this is for smile faces and animals, this is for foods and plant, etc. You can also use this Comoji here and move for like this, whatever you want to use. And then symbols also, here are recent ones and etc which you want to use. We will focus on the emojis. There are two ways from which you can use this emoji panel. First of all, I will click here and open my emoji panel. Then I want to use this fire symbol, then smiley face, then whatever you want to use. For example, I want to use this burger. And one more thing, you can change the color of it also. For example, I will use this boy face, then I will change it colors and like this. So here it's not showing any effects because it's the Notepad, but when we will see in other like Word, Excel, PowerPoint or browser, it works there. Now the second method is by searching or finding it. So I will open the emoji panel, then I will search for it. For example, fire, and it will show all the emojis related to fire. Now you can click it like this. Now you can use the mouse or you can use the keyboard arrow keys also. For example, like left or right, and hit enter to use that emojis. I will use this one. So let's see, does it work anywhere in our laptop? So I will go in Word, again open it and search for it. For example, food, and I will do like this. Now notice one thing here. If I change the color and use this boy symbol, now I will change it to this color. Now use boy symbol, it will show the effects. Because Notepad doesn't support it, Word support it. Excel, PowerPoint, browser. Now you can use it in WhatsApp also. WhatsApp has its built-in emoji panel, but you can use it here also. For example, fire again. So thank you so much guys for watching the full video. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. If you want more technical related videos, subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your all friends so that they can also use the emojis. Comment me what type of videos do you want from me, and if you have any doubt or you want to ask me or tell me anything, just comment it. And bye bye for now.